Good afternoon, everybody. How are you doing today? My name is Mike with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this lovely video, we are going to show you how to remove and replace the back on your Steelcase Amia chair. Let's get started. Okay, so we want to remove the back by pulling straight up, but we have the two tabs right here that we don't want to break off, so we want to make sure those go up and past the access point. So grab it down low, pull straight up. Got my clips right there, and those clips right there is what I'm talking about, and just get those past that channel right there. So grab it to the bottom, we're pulling straight up, grab it by its side, pull straight up, and it comes right off, folks. That's pretty much it. Next step will be to remove the chair from the bottom attachment point. And that's just a J channel. We're just going to push down with our fingers. We'll get you a close-up of this. And it just comes right off there, guys. That's it. Okay, so here's another angle of how I remove the J channel from the back. So I have the seat, or the back pad here. Just want to pull down on the elastic part. And you see the J channel separate from the chair. Just keep pulling all the way down. And that's it. To put the back onto your Amia chair, we're going to start by putting it over the top. Okay, so we're just going to line up our clips on the side here onto the back. Start the pad in the top position. Kind of feel our clips and push straight down. And that's it. We're going to attach the J channel next. So just reach down here and kind of roll it to the back. You should hear it clip in as you press it in to the channel. And you're all set, guys. So as you can see, nothing to it, folks. That's pretty much it. Now you know how to remove and replace the back on your Amia chair. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.